Sean, the owner of Blaze of Grass Lawn Care here in Savannah, Georgia. I'm gonna give you a quick tip. All right, if you are one of those guys or girls that utilize containers to haul your debris, i.e. grass or whatever the case might be, let me give you a quick tip. All right, so what you want to do is just take a drill and drill holes in your container. So when you put the grass, when you put the debris in your container, the water will drain and it'll make it a lot easier for you to pick it up. Okay. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I bought these containers. I think they were like on sale for 14 bucks at the Home Depot, and they have wheels. This way I can just grab it right here and just pull it with me back and forth. Also, these bags, we use them a lot in my area, and they are a 30-gallon bag, paper bag, and these are specifically from Lowe's, but you know, you can get them at the Home Depot. And on average they are $188 for 5 bags. And you can take these containers, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so you can take these containers and put your bag in there so it can hold your bag open, and then you can empty your debris in here. And once you're finished, all you got to do is grab it, fold it up, and put it at the curb for city pickup. All right guys, quick simple tip that I utilize at my company. All right guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. If for any reason you have any additional tips, guys, when it comes to containers or something that the lawn care community can utilize, please take your time, leave it in a comment below. All right, other than that, stay hot, pop smoke. Peace.